What is up everybody, my name is Saif and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to watch Netflix on Android from anywhere in the world, and this video is brought to you by IVC VPN. Thanks to them for making this video possible. Netflix is an online rental streaming service which has spread its wings across more than 120 countries, but depending upon where you live, most of the content is rather limited, unlike America. Like, if I talk about The Office show, you might get to watch it in US, but it won't be possible in UK. Well, that's just because the media house that owns the rights to this TV show geo-restricts it. Netflix has to buy the distribution right for The Office show for each country. If they see a huge demand in US for the show and not for the other countries, they would just simply buy the license for US. But gladly, with the help of IVC VPN, you can trick Netflix in accessing the US catalog being in another part of the world other than US by changing your IP address. IVC VPN is not only safe, secure and reliable, but you can get the job done without getting banned by Netflix. So let's take a look at how to change your IP address to an American one using the IVC VPN. So first up guys, I'm going to be showing you my current location using IVC VPN app. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. So as you can see here guys, up at the top under your location, the location being shown here is of United Kingdom. So with that being set aside, let's get inside of Netflix app and search for any US show. So I'm going to be searching here for The Office show, which is basically an American show. So as you can see here, it's not listed here just because of the fact that Netflix has geo-restricted it here in United Kingdom. So in order to unblock US catalog, we're going to be making the use of IVC VPN app. So here you have to tap on purposes, then you have to tap on the start streaming. So once you click that, here you will find a bunch of famous streaming services like ABC, Amazon Prime, Hulu Plus and a lot more. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be sticking to Netflix US only. So here I have it here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this button right next to Netflix US, and within a couple of seconds we'll be connected to a US server for streaming Netflix shows. So guys, as you can see, we have been successfully connected to the Netflix US server. Alright, so let's just get back to Netflix app and search for the same show which we searched when we were not connected to the VPN. So let me just quickly type The Office show here. So as you can see here guys, up at the top we have The Office show. So yeah, it was just that simple to unblock US catalog being in another part of the world other than United States. Alright guys, now I would like to go ahead and show you some of the other features that we have here inside of this VPN app. So if you want to get connected to a specific country, you can go ahead and tap on this locations tab, and here you'll find a wide range of different countries to which you can get connected. You can also get connected to a specific city among these countries by tapping on the cities tab and choosing the city right here. Next up, under purposes tab, other than start streaming, we also have secure downloading, which basically lets you download files with advanced server level virus and malware protection. You also have start unblocking feature, which basically unblocks any website that might be blocked inside of your country. And guys, talking about the other stuff, we also get internet kill switch feature with this application. That means if you get disconnected from your VPN accidentally, you will be automatically disconnected from your internet connection as well, so that you will remain always secure. Next up, we also have a split tunneling here. That means that through this feature, user can route the traffic coming from a specific application through a VPN tunnel. The rest of the applications will remain unaffected by the VPN. We also get here multi-port and protocols. Alright guys, so it's time to talk about the pricing of this VPN product. So as you can see, we have 3 plans for this VPN app. My personal favorite is a 2-year plan, which goes for just $2.25 a month. And gladly, the guys over at IVC VPN app are giving you guys a promo code which you can use to get 10% off your purchase. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.